Here we've got a Ural Cossack done up as a German motorbike from the Second World War. One of the best bug out vehicles there were. Bugged out of every country in Europe, Africa and Russia. This Ural has had new inner tube, new cylinder heads, clutch cables, brakes adjusted, dry shaft done, floor welded in the back of here. It's a great little vehicle. It's been used in a number of films. Can't tell you which ones, just that I know when we stripped it, it had loads of different colours of camo on it. It had Luftwaffe blue, SS pea gravel green camo, ordinary green camo, desert, and now it's in Wehrmacht grey. So you've seen it run up and have a little look at it running up and down. There you go. Have a quick look. Shelter, backpack, with all the gearing, bug out kit, essentials bag, bit of a tool kit to go in, poncho, power rope, food, put your food in here. You can run on any battery, 12 volt battery. You can make a battery up